Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will recite chapter 2 from sloka number 51 with meaning. Karmajam buddhiyukta hi phalam tyaktva manishinah janma bandha vinirmuktaah padam gacchantya namayam. The wise renounce the fruits of their actions. They are immersed in yogic wisdom. They do not have rebirth and attain an abode where tranquility and peace prevails. Yada te mohakalilam buddhirvyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam shrotavyasya shrutasya cha. When your mind is released from the dense delusions, you shall realize that how disgusting all that you have heard so far have been. Shruti vipratipanna yada sthāsyati nischala samadhavachala buddhihi tada yogamavapsyasi. When your mind is fixed and unmoved and not confused by script, you shall attain Keshava Sthitadhir Prabhaseta Kimasitau Vrajeta Kim. Arjuna asked, O Keshava, what are the characteristics of one who is accomplished in meditation and steady in intelligence? How does such a steady person speak? How does he sit? How does he move? श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रजहाति यदा कामान् सर्वान् पार्थमनोगतान् आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थितप्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते. The Lord of Sri said, O Partha, one who, having renounced all desires born of the mind, is satisfied in the self, and by the self is said to be one whose insight is steady. Dukkeshvanuddvignamanaः sukeshu vigataspruhah vitaragabhayakrodhah sthitadhir muniruchyate. In the midst of suffering and happiness, his mind is neither confused nor kindled. He who is free from desires, passions, fear, and anger is said to be a sage of tranquil mind. Yes, sarvatranabhisnehah tat prapya shubhashubham nabhinandati na dveshti tasya prajna pratisthita. One who is free from all material desires, who is neither delighted nor disturbed by joys and sorrows, is the one who stands firm in wisdom. Yada samharate chayam kurmanganiva sarvashah indriyani indriyarthebhyah tasya prajna pratisthita. And when he completely controls his senses and keeps them away from their objects, like a tortoise drawing its limbs between its stands still. विषया विवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्जं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते. It is not enough if one merely turns away from sense objects, as the taste for such objects still remains. One be devoid of even the taste for such objects. One, God loses the taste acquired for sense object. He remains fixed always. यततो ह्यपि कौन्तेय सुखः इन्द्रियमाथीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. Indeed, O son of Kunti, the force of the senses is so powerful that they can even dissuade a very discriminating person.